how to fix the touchpad is not working on your Acer laptop. So if you can't move the mouse cursor, I'll show you how to go and solve this issue. Now you can follow these steps either by using the keyboard on your laptop, or you can plug in an external mouse and you can follow the steps using your mouse. So first thing we need to do is come over to the start menu. Now if you're using your keyboard, just press the Windows icon on your keyboard. You can then search for settings and press enter. Now if you use the tab key on your keyboard, you can go and select your profile name. You can then use the downwards arrow key to come over to Bluetooth and devices, and then press the enter button. Now use the tab button on your keyboard till you have devices selected like this. You could then use the downwards arrow key and come over to touchpad and then press enter. Now if you have the touchpad turned off, what you can do is press the spacebar key on your keyboard and this will go and re-enable the touchpad. Now if it's not working, I'll show you another way to solve this as well. So let's open the start menu once again. This time search for device manager and press enter. You can then press the tab key on your keyboard and then use the downwards arrow key to come over to human interface devices. Now once you have this selected, use the right arrow key to go and expand this. You could then use the downwards arrow key to find your touchpad. Once you have this selected, press enter. Now use the tab key until you have general selected, and then use the right arrow key to select driver. You could then use the tab key to come over to update driver and press enter. Use the downwards arrow key to select browse my computer for drivers. Click on tab to select let me pick from a list of available drivers and press enter. Use the downwards arrow key to select HID compliant touchpad and then press enter. Now once you've done this, restart your computer and check if your touchpad is now working. If you're still having an issue, there's one final solution. So you can actually use a keyboard shortcut to go in, enable and disable the touchpad. Now on my laptop, I need to hold down this FN key and also F7 at the same time. Now if it doesn't work with this key combination, you can also try the other F keys as well. So you can try holding down FN and F8, F9, F10 and so forth. Once you've done this, that should fix the issue where your touchpad is not working.